Right, so.
Where are we starting first?
You tell me. The boys are jumping on that blockwork wall. What do you reckon we should do?
This blockwork wall.
What one?
This one.
Why this one?
Because then if they're doing this side, we back it up.
Right, so depending on what site you're on, depends on what you're allowed to do. Like a lot of sites are blockwork first, yeah? So this wall, how would you set up a profile for that?
I'd build a corner and run it in.
You'd build a corner. Well, I wouldn't.
Profile?
Yes, I would.
Yes.
So when you go to set out walls like this, right, there's walls you can reset out to where, because walls can be leaning slightly that way or slightly that way, and you can be like 10 mil out or 15 mil out, and a lot of walls, like cavity walls, can be slightly out, and this is a lift, a third lift is where you reset everything out, yeah? But there are walls that you can't reset out. Do you know what ones they are? No? So this wall hasn't got a set of stairs next to it, yeah? That one has. This one's got a set of stairs next to it. Yeah? So this wall carries on from that wall
from below
and carries on up. So if this wall was 15 mil out to the mark, and you set it out 15 mil, when you go to run over the top, and if it's 15 mil this way, what do you think is going to happen when you put a line through? The blockwork's going to do that. So you need to set your profile up so that you run in line with that. But this one doesn't matter as much. So if it was me and I was taking this wall on, I would build this side first, then make sure the cavity is right to this wall. This one here doesn't have stairs, so you'd go to the drawing. Yeah, that side has got stairs, so you go by what's already set out. Yeah. Right, let's get this profile set up, shall we? So these bricks are really good because they're interlocking. You can put profiles on them and they don't go anywhere. Some bricks, when they're like frogged bricks and they don't interlock to each other, they pop off, and sometimes it ain't worth using profiles. But with these, definitely. I say that and they'll probably pop off. So we want to be in line with this wall, really, yeah? That's looking good there. So we'll go off of these blocks like that. Right, we need a little level, or a level, and we'll just... So do that. Right, so that's how you get your mark to run through. Break that in there like that. I always put it on this side of the wall, so when the line's pulling that way, because it'd be clamped on there, yeah, it won't. They've set theirs on the outside, which I never do. I did tell them not to do that, but it's, you know, yeah. So when the line wants to pull over, they have put a block at the bottom, so it won't go anywhere. But that'll just do that if you're not careful. If you just whack on there like that. Right, I'll let you set up the other side, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and then what we'll do is string a line through, make sure it's cutting right with down below. Off you go. They have put marks on there, but we're gonna go, we'll do it how I just show you, yeah? That's it, line it up, yeah. Make sure you're lined up nicely. That's it, well done. I'll stand on that so don't move. What side you putting the line from?
This side.
That's it. Now, look. See their mark is off. They've set that out to the drawing, yeah. But anyway, right, so go on, get that in there, lock that in, and then we'll string a line through, yeah. I'll grab a set of corner blocks and a line. All right, you happy with that?
Yeah.
Right, so if we put the line down as low as it'll go without being disturbed, all right, we'll make sure that it cuts right, yeah, with the wall down below, which it looks a little bit off. Let's have a look. So that's pretty good there. That's cutting pretty well there. It's not actually too bad. Right, now we're good to run this in. So let's get set up some stands and boards and that. thinking me sun at. Keeps me old big nose from burning. Right, we've just gone through all the block work to the height I want to go to. What I like to do is get it up to the window height, underside of window. I don't like to set the windows out and try and balance the frames on one course of block. I've never liked doing that. So now I've got to joint this up, make it look pretty. We've done 5 courses on the jacks. We've done 4 because that's the underside of the window. Now we're just gonna, now we've gone right through doing all the block work up to that height. We're going to jump on the outside. We're going to take from this movement joint round to down the side, down that side, and down to the other movement joint over that side. Get it up to window height. We can then get the frames, put them on, finish the brickwork off, jump back in and finish the block work off. We will be on the brickwork for the rest of the day on here though, and then have a good day on it tomorrow. Like, there'll be a lot of brickwork going down tomorrow. There's 4 of us laying. We've got young Mike laying with me today. He'll be laying next to me tomorrow, and these bricks are just a nice easy brick to lay, so we should get plenty of bricks done tomorrow. Fucking hell, mate. Ah, what are you playing with it for, geese? What was that? trowel filled up like that, look. Come in from the side like that. Nice big lump on your trowel, that's it. Pick the back, pick that bit up at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about the front though, yeah. That's it. That's it, pick the back up, that's it, because you don't want none going in the cavity. That's it, boom. That's it. Have you got ties for that rim post?
Not sure where they
No,
are.
well you don't need one yet, but I'm just, that's it, push it down, straight, that's it, there you go. That line looks a bit slack. What's happened to that line? I'll put that on.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, rough bastard. Sort of fucking whore's drawers that is. Oh, hang on, let me tighten this line up a bit. Give it a tug in the middle. Whoa, 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 not that fucking tight. Tug on it, boys. All right, there you go. Try that one again. That's better. That's it. So when I'm laying a brick, the first thing I look at is that there with that there. You're starting to get forward a little touch, look. Let me just show you something. So when I'm laying a brick, my shoulders are over. I'm leaning over, so I'm there, look. Right, and as the first thing I am looking at when I'm putting a brick in is this part here to this part here. That is the first thing. I know that I'm well back from the line, so I'm not bothered about that. And the first thing I'm looking at is that. So I'm putting it in, I'm lining that up, then I'm pushing down to the line, going through, under, over. Right, again, first thing is that I'm leaning over. Yeah, I'm lining up, I'm pushing down, under, over. Yeah, lining up, under, over. All right.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that, did you? You just said go down my end.
See it, line it up, push it down, under, over. Just watch out, you're pushing a little bit harder on the back end to the front. When you take that line away, that's just below it, look, and that's just above it.
Yeah.
So you get chicken dippers. Line it up, push it down. That's it. Try not to flick the muck, right? Try to literally just go straight through and under, yeah? Straight through and under, that's it. That's it, no fucking about. If you're getting too much muck on the end of your trowel, that just means you've laid too much of a bed. So on your next course, try to think that last one was a bit too much, I need a little bit less this time. And the other way around as well, if you're not getting enough on your trowel, you think, well, I need a little bit more on my trowel, on the bed next time.